Hey, cousins. Welcome to our VLOGMAS. And today we are doing a little arts and crafts because we childish like that. Tell the folks what we're doing, babe.
We're doing arts and crafts. So look, we got these little markers.
They so cute.
Hopefully they don't run dry because I'm about to go to work.
Right.
Got the little markers and we got our little crafts.
Little wood things that we get to color in and put up around the house, I guess.
The Dollar Tree.
Thank you, Dollar Tree. It's cute or whatever.
Or as our friends say, Delatra.
So, yeah, let's get to work.
I'm about to win, so duh. Y'all saw the last one. So
okay. We gonna see.
These ain't Crayola. Cause I used to love my Crayolas. Let me put her up so she could have a little time to moisten up a little bit.
Moisten.
Yours on the top? Oh, you gotta hold it. I thought it was me. See, my little top didn't go on top.
Oh, yeah.
Your stuff noisy.
It's a true artist at work.
You know what I think we should do?
What?
This as an activity often together.
Color?
And listen to music. What do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Like, can we make this like a date night type stuff? Not just because it's Christmas either.
Yeah.
Any day.
We could do dinner and then this. With a little wine on the side.
Little jazz. Can do a little jazz while we do it.
Smooth jazz.
Your favorite jazz. You think you can cook for me? Again?
Oh, you can cook for me, honey.
Woo! Rub my feet.
Ew.
You
going a little far now.
You was a little serious. And I ain't like that.
Cousins, we are finally finished with our masterpieces, so we want y'all to vote.
We don't really want to vote, but we already know it's
trash.
Right, she's been a hater. She's been a hater.
Look at this beautiful masterpiece.
Oh wow, that's so nice.
Color, vibrant. You feel Christmas.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
You feel Mardi Gras.
Either way, it's a good time.
This is Christmas.
Be merry. Be grateful.
See the snow on the car? It's white.
Oh, that's why the car white? Because all that snow? You got them 24s on that thing.
I ain't 24.
What about 10s?
Yeah, there's about some 12s. They got little 12s in the back, 2 speakers.
I can't.
Yeah, that's about
But no, this was super fun. It definitely tapped into our inner child. We were super happy about that. And yeah, let us know in the comments who you think had the better picture.
Because she's so vain. She must know. Please tell her she's the best. Even if she's not.
Until next time.